How to get all permissions instead of and in REST framework. It seems that permission classes are dead when REST framework checks permissions. That is, every permission class needs to return true for permission to be granted. This makes things like if you are a super user, you can access anything, but if you are a regular user you need explicit permissions a bit hard to implement. You cannot just return false, it will fail the whole stack. Is there a way to maybe short-circuit permissions? Something like if this permission is granted, stop checking? Or some other way to deal with cases like that?
I think you might be able to use Django Rules library here. Link. It is a rule-based engine very similar to decision trees, and it can be easily integrated with permissions_class framework of DRF. The best part is you can perform set operations on simple permissions and create complex permissions from them. Example. Predicates can do pretty much anything with a given arguments, but must always return true if the condition they check is true, false otherwise. Now combining these two predicates. You can use this new predicate rule as _object_ editable inside your has_permissions method of permission class.
Now DRF allows permissions to be composed using bitwise operators, and, or, from the docs. Provided they inherit from rest_framework.permissions.base permission, permissions can be composed using standard Python bitwise operators. For example, is authenticated or read-only could be written. Edited, please note there is a comma after is. Authenticated vertical bar read only.
One way would be to add another permission class which combines existing classes the way you want it, for example.
Aside from the custom permission, which is simpler approach mentioned in the earlier answer, you can also look for an existing third party to handle a much complex permission handling if necessary. As of February 2016, those handling complex condition permission includes rest_condition, Django REST framework composed permissions,